If you use your vehicle every day driving to and from the job site or haul items often, you need WeatherTech's CargoTech Pro. This modular, highly adjustable containment system creates a frame around 5-gallon buckets, PVC pipes, drywall, and other equipment. Let's take a closer look. CargoTech Pro comes with either 4 corner pieces and 16 CamLocks, or 2 corner pieces and 8 CamLocks. The CamLocks secure 1x4 or 1x6 planks of wood together, creating a containment frame. Optional screw holes with taller or wider pieces of wood can be used to adjust the height of the frame. CargoTech Pro pieces also work on their own without wood to create a smaller frame. Attachment points located at the top and sides of each CargoTech Pro piece allow bungee cords, tie-down straps, or rope to be connected for additional security. The textured, grippy underside of CargoTech Pro keeps the contained materials from shifting and works well with painted beds, spray-in bed liners, and WeatherTech bed or cargo liners for extra stability. CargoTech Pro is rain and UV resistant and made from high-quality and durable polypropylene and TPE. It offers organization and security for both truck beds and work vans, making it ideal for general contractors, plumbers, landscapers, DIYers, and more. You can count on the quality and durability you will be receiving. CargoTech Pro is 100% made in America by WeatherTech.